Cumudul dah keselam. Kan long kumno sarai. Kau gangam lut barok sepok hendau.
Rayak tu meh. Memang tip isu dah.
Iding buon ba cakah sana mah. Atrai di pentip nai kibrio sasar. Kibrio le mentah ki thiet tamun yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki Pulit ka Anti Narcotic Task Force Meghalaya ki balayo ya ka jingtip ka babnya na ki tanat sentiap ha ka janbit ka arpulai tarik urempang arja punreu ki lahir kendra ya ka yingsa jong we barjela kulatip kerteng kum urahul chitri ubasa ka snong lower Rynjah Shillong bat ki layo Kurup bon ba Droks Subtenant of Police ka Anti Narcotic Task Force Meghalaya Vikash Kumar ha ka jingkran bat ki la pathak bor lai thu ba ha ka jingkhan ra ki Pulit ki layo Kurup arpulai Synduk Sabon Drok ban hajar phosong ki dawai kuli nitrozapam na ka yingsa ujong chitri ha ka bai dei ba ka jingjau SP lai thu ba ki Pulit ki la kamno ya ki arngot ki bre ki badan kti ya ka khobor ka babnya ngin senang wan ra shushu sa kham kat tu ka nepor anda ki Pulit ki la pendap purai ka jingtoken kat kum ki kendon jong ka NDPS Act.
Itu sulit. Tambah bumbu lapor-lapor nanti nambah sup. We'll check it.
क्या और नहीं है? अभी धंधा करता है?
नहीं मैडम स्टूल पूछ रहा था स्टूल
गरम वाला कर लो गरम वाला
Miau.
So we had received information about one Rahul Chhetri who stays in Lower Rynjah. He is dealing in drugs. Accordingly, today the raid was conducted by the state Antf team, and we have recovered totally 23 soap boxes of heroin, and about 2,000 numbers of nitrazepam tablet also has been recovered, and we have arrested 2 people. Still the legal proceedings about the seizure is still ongoing, and we will share the whole detail after the completion of the process in our press release. Thank you. Please. We will share all the details in our press release once the legal process and the seizure is complete after that.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
For once, I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.